Hey guys, kind of impromptu today. We're going to do a box break. I wasn't planning on doing this. I was supposed to be at work right now, but it's kind of slow tonight. Big convention starts really, I guess, tomorrow. People start coming into town. So I went into work and basically got a chance to come home early, so I decided to treat myself to a really fun box break. We're going to do 98-99 Topps Basketball Series 2. But we're going to do something pretty fun. This is called the Home Team Advantage. And as you can see, it's a jumbo box with 40 cards per pack. And then there is just 12 packs per box. So I don't know that I've ever opened a jumbo box of this. You guys have seen me do quite a bit of Series 1 and 2, the regular. I've done really well out of a few boxes. I've pulled the Round Ball Royalty Refractor Jordan in Series 1 and Series 2. I pulled the East-West Michael Jordan Kobe Refractor. So to complete the Refractor Triumvirate of this series, I'm hoping to get the Topps Chrome Preview Refracted Jordan. That's obviously the main reason to bust this. And so here we go. I didn't really advertise today that I was going to do a live break because I wasn't anticipating doing one. And B, when I've been doing the live breaks, I've generally been getting about 4 people that watch me live. And I've started to upload them all on YouTube. So the good news is, even though maybe no one will watch this live, and I'll announce if anyone joins, you know, you'll be able to find this on not only my Facebook page, but I'm going to throw this on YouTube as well. I mean, you can see how gigantic pack of cards this is. So we've got, let's see what we've got. We've got the chance to get an East-West 1 in 8, an East-West Refractor 1 in 32, a gold label 1 in 3, a black label 1 in 30. Oh, here we go. This actually has the red label number to 100. So these are 1 in 366 packs. Topps Chrome Refractors 1 in 40, and autographs 1 in 104. Wow. So if I'm ever going to bust 98 Topps Series 2 again, it's going to be the jumbo, because this is the way to go. Let's just dig right in. There's only 12 packs of this. It's just a ton of cards. There's a monstrous amount of cards. I've always been a fan of jumbo because the odds for getting the inserts are much better for you than anything else. Here we got a Paul Pierce rookie. This is probably the most off-centered one I've ever pulled. And I've opened so much of this product in the past few months. I probably have 30 or 40 of every base card they made. If anybody sees me breaking anything that they need, just hit me up and let me know. There's a Dirk rookie. You can just see the centering's bad. I think we may have something back here. It looks like it could be a chrome card. Let's take a look. Definitely a chrome card. And it's a Michael Finley. There's a Vince Carter rookie. Obviously, these are all off cut. I'm gonna enjoy my beer here. Moving to pack number 2. Gosh, these things are just gigantic. I'm just going to skip right back here. Looks like we got something, so I'm going to just pull that out right away. Bob Cousy. It's the classic collection. Yeah, I don't think these are worth much. I pulled Julius Erving out of a box last week or the week before. I mean, I think they've more or less got these packs, so there's at least one insert or parallel in every pack, or close to it. Someone said to look out for Jason Williams the other day. I don't know why. Is he command a premium? I honestly don't know. Another Paul Pierce rookie. Another Dirk rookie. I feel like since Dirk won his championship and then retired, his cards definitely have gone up quite a bit, especially his Topps Chrome rookie refractor. All right, we'll move into pack number 3. I figure I could probably find the odds and add it to my blowout thread as far as the red class go. Because if they're numbered to 100... and they're 1 in, because it states it right here, 1 in 366 packs, you know, however many players there are in that. And then there you got your odds of pulling any particular player. Probably about 1 in 3,600 packs if there's 10 cards in the set. So to get the Jordan red class number to 100, that card's got to be worth some coin, huh? Thing is I think they might have only been inserted in the jumbo, so that makes it easy to find the odds, but finding these jumbo boxes is tough, and I don't know how many they made. Maybe 36,000 jumbo boxes made. Sounds about right. I could be totally wrong though. Oh, looks like another classic collection. Larry Bird. Kind of a worthless set, but that'd be a cool card to get autographed on card. Get a Larry Bird on card autograph of that. Would be pretty sick. All right, pack number 4. Oh, I think we got a Topps Chrome refractor, ladies and gentlemen. Please let it be Jordan. Oh, Jesus, Michael Finley, really? Well, guys, that is a bummer. The number 1 chase card I was hoping for was a Topps Chrome refractor Jordan. Instead, I got Michael Finley, which happens to be... So I've got the regular Topps Chrome Michael Finley and now the Topps Chrome Michael Finley refractor. So I think that probably shoots me in the foot for getting a Jordan. Okay, let's keep moving. Looks like a kickstart. Kevin Garnett. Nice looking insert set. Looks like we got something else in this pack. Topps gold label of Michael Jordan. Damn, I was hoping that'd be the red label. All right, that makes 3 Michael Jordan gold labels that I've personally pulled in the past couple months. If anybody needs this card, let me know. I'll be willing to trade it. It's a good looking card. I wish it was numbered to 100. Hopefully it'll be like the Michael Finley and I'll pull the rarest version of this before the end of the box. What's up, Grant? I got Jordan gold label, and you know, normally it's cool to pull a refractor, but unfortunately it wasn't the Jordan. So we're doing the jumbo here, doing the jumbo box of 98.99. A lot of base cards. There's 40 cards per pack. Cards are all in pretty good shape, with the centering is just pretty rotten. Left to right, it's real bad. Out of all the boxes I've pulled, this is probably the worst centering I've gotten. I've gotten basically an insert or parallel in every pack so far. Oh, there we go. Boom, out of nowhere. Legacy's Jordan. You know, I don't think I have this card, so I've been getting a lot of low-end Jordan inserts lately out of these box breaks. I got the stat liners from Stadium Club the other day. So that's cool. You know, it's not a card that's really on my radar, but definitely glad to add it to my Jordan collection. Yeah, definitely. Now I just need that Jordan red. Gold label, red label. And I'll be all set. I wonder if I could pull a Dennis Rodman Precious Metal Gems out of this box. I'd have to go to the post office tomorrow. All right, what do we got here? Kickstart. Mike Bibby. It's cool. Well, I work with a guy that actually looks a lot like Mike Bibby. That's interesting. I found his doppelganger. And we have another gold label. I think I've pulled 4 of these Gary Paytons. I was going through all my box breaks because I went to the store, to the hobby shop, and picked up some stuff to store these in. And I had already pulled 3 of these Gary Paytons, so that's 4. If any of you guys know any glove collectors, let me know. I can send them a care package. A lot of rookies in this box. A lot of Paul Pierce. A lot of Dirk. There's another one. Guess that one won't grade a PSA 10 now. Another kickstart. We got Vince Carter. And what else do we have here? Another refractor, maybe? Let's find out. Oh, we got the gold label Kobe Bryant. I think I've got about 2 or 3 of these now, too. These are actually really nice looking cards. Especially this Kobe. That's just a great shot. It's nice that they made like rare parallels of this, because if they only made the gold label that weren't worth that much, it'd be kind of a waste. But it's nice to know you can get a kind of an expensive parallel version of this, because it's such a cool looking card. I just need a gold label now, since they only, from what I understand, inserted them in these jumbos. So it looks like they put the hits right in the middle of the pack, and if there's a gold label, they put it right next to the insert. So I could probably just like not even look at these base cards, but it won't take too long. Besides, I've only got 4 packs left. There we go. There's a Magic Johnson. This is the Classic Collection. Yeah, so they kind of load these up. They give you an insert in every pack. Either an insert or a gold label in every pack. So we got 3 left. I'll just skip right to it, shall we? There's a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar Classic Collection. And I'm going to go ahead and assume all the rest of these are base cards. I'll go over those later, and if there's anything, I'll let you know, but I doubt it. They love giving me these classic collections. The classic collections are the ones that you feel like there's no insert in the pack, but there is one. I don't know. I don't think there's anything else in here. All right, last pack for the 98-99 Top Series 2 Jumbo. got a couple Jordans, but not necessarily what I was looking for, but every box can't be a hit, and I've had a lot of good luck lately. There's another Bill Russell Classic Collection. And I think that's it. So I'll go through these, but I really don't think there's anything else. So our hits, we had the gold label Kobe. We had the gold label Jordan. We had the Legacies Jordan. And we did get a Topps Chrome Preview Refractor of Michael Finley. The rest of them were mostly commons. I did get a kickstart of Kevin Garnett. We got a kickstart of Vince Carter and Mike Bibby. And then just a bunch of the rookies and this classic collection. A couple, we got the gold label Gary Payton. That's about it. So that's the break for tonight.